हैन धेरै हावा आयो कति लस्करी गाडी आएको यो How was your day today?
Yeah, how was your day? It was so busy, tough.
Okay, it was so busy and tough. Huh? हामी भर्खर क्वालिटी फुडमा हैन सपिङ गरेर आएको almost we spent around 41 pound. Right? because huh? मलाई त त्यस्तो I don't want to take you to the McDonald's. If I take
Because why, you know?
Yeah.
Because I myself don't go to McDonald's. I don't like
Yeah, but I don't want to take you
feel
to
that you are so lucky, man. Okay?
No.
I get in, maybe you can. No, I never do that. म जहिले पनि के गर्छु तिम्रो फ्री भएपछि I take you out. Okay? So it's
No,
different between you and
it's
तिमीले भने यहाँ
No, it's
आएपछि
not.
कहिले मलाई यो ठाउँमा घुम्न लान्छु यो गरिदिन्छु भने त
No,
त्यो
it's
त मैले लगाएको छु
No. Never trust this lady. Never trust this lady, okay? Because ladies are like that. You can't trust them. They just
ट्रस्ट
Go on
नगरेर
talking.
यसरी सँगै हिँड्दा हुन्थ्यो होला यसरी भ्लग
No.
मसँग त्यही
whatever she speak, these guys, never believes on this black lady. Black Okay. Very nice light. I'll show you guys. Yeah. Next. It was first movie here.
So excited.
Pathan was the first movie we was in this Cineworld.
I'm so excited, you know,
Yeah.
that you are going to that.
That, yeah. Now Asda is near, guys. See, Asda is here. You can see a green light with a big letter, big A, yeah, and big S. Big ass.
You could think a big ass.
She's laughing when I said big ass. Oh my god. What?
Because we two said at the together same time big ass.
Yes. See, guys, big A and big S and big D and big O.
And big book.
That's how we pronounce Asta. I don't know. What's the team that you?
It is an on my shop now.
Okay. Yes, Asta. Hi guys, she's buying for me a very expensive flower. कस्तो राम्रो फुल हुन्छ के हो यो केराको हालत त्यस्तो छ त हेर्दा गाइस सी
पानी साग क्या
Oh, water sack.
पानी साग
Oh my god. पानी साग है
खोला खोला पनि पाउँदैन
के भन्छ पानी सागलाई है देखाउ त
पानी सागलाई उयो
स्ट्रङ एन्ड
वाटर क्रिस क्या वाटर क्रिस
Water crisp,
वाटर क्रिस
वाटर क्रिस कति रे 1 पाउन्ड
पानी हो
अचार खानुलाई हुन्छ
अचार होइन सागै खानु
नलग
मामी यहाँ प्याले अनि पुलिसले ल्यान आन
अनि why you are saying like किनिसक्यो leave it here why you are like if no
खाने बेला
No,
मैले
no,
पनि
no, no.
किनेर दिनु होइन
दिन्छु त
मैले खाने बेला
No.
तिमीले घरको खाएर सिधा हो
No, you can't say like that. I want this one. Looks very nice. Okay. Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
ready to I need to heat this. First, I need to heat this. There you go. It's an organic heat. Organic heat.
And this is